Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to add clickable links to the design elements in your Google Slides. So one of the things to understand about Google Slide decks is that they're useful whether they're in presentation mode or not. Usually, if I'm making them, I'm almost never in presentation mode. But sometimes when you're presenting something, you are in presentation mode, and it might not be a bad idea to associate a URL with one of the objects in that slide. In fact, there's tons of different ways that teachers have used this to create assignments and activities for their students by creating links in their slides. And here's how you do it. So what you want to do is select the object you want to attach that link to. I'm going to use this word art up here, and then I'm going to go to Insert, Link, and then notice I get a little box that I can paste the URL into. Now I have a couple of different choices. I can paste the URL to a different website, or I can select a different slide within this presentation, or the previous slide, or some specific slide. If I want to, I can click on, what are the slides in this presentation that I could choose. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use an actual website here. I'm going to paste that in. Then I'm going to apply. Now, if I go to slideshow mode or presentation mode, click to get that to appear from the animation. And then notice when I hover over this, I get that little pointy finger, which indicates that I am above a hyperlink. It's not just regular text. It's not my pointer. It indicates I'm above a hyperlink. So if I click on this, it opens up the website that I linked to. So if I'm in a presentation and part of my presentation needs me to go to a specific site, I can link to that site, and then it will take me to that site when I click on it.